I'm a BTech in biotechnology. I did ACC. I've done ACC also. ACC is Association of Certified Chartered Accountants. It's a UK qualification.
ओह! भाई बहुत मतलब मेंटल मोटिवेशन चाहिए खुद के लिए कि ये करना है मतलब इट्स वेरी इजी टू स्लिप एंड नॉट डू इट एंड इट्स वेरी
Yeah,
टेम्प्टिंग
yeah.
नॉट
It's
टू
very
नॉट
easy.
डू
See,
इट है
nobody
ना?
wants to wake up at 4:35 in the morning and okay, I'll go work out. And किसी को अच्छा नहीं लगता है. Nobody likes it. And I
हुँ।
wouldn't say that I always considered running to lose weight. No, no. It was never my viewpoint कि मुझे run करना है तो अच्छा है, मेरा weight कम हो जाएगा. No. Without strength training, only if you're doing running and running 6 days a week, it is going to spoil your body. It is going to take away all the muscle mass from your body and you will start looking old.
It's important for people to understand that the coach also needs a coach.
Mentally, I know I'm very strong. I don't give up easy. See, motivation एक दो बार तीन बार काम करेगी, उसके बाद नहीं करेगी. आपने कोई मोटिवेशनल वीडियो देख लिया या प्रोबेबली आपने ये पॉडकास्ट ही देख लिया या आपने कुछ यूट्यूब पे ऐसा देख लिया, तो you will feel motivated for a day or two or maximum 1 week. But if you really want to achieve your goals, so you have to be disciplined.
Hi everyone, this is Meenal here and welcome to my channel. In this channel, probably I interview ultra running women in India. Only women, only ultra running in India itself to bring you the most powerful of the females across the country. और आज मेरे साथ है बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट प्रियंका एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी एंड एक्साइटेड to be talking to her. So Priyanka, before we talk about the runs, I think let's start with your childhood. So, like growing up, first of all, from where do you belong? And growing up, how was your childhood? Were you always active, or were you into sports, or how was it?
I'm a Punjabi. We are Rajputs, but yeah, we are from Punjab. Uh,
Shake hands.
so yeah, yes, yes, okay. So I was born in Rajpura, a small town in Punjab, but yes, grown up and all my studies were in Panchkula. Okay,
Hmm.
Chandigarh, Panchkula. So that was the where my parents settled. So वहीं settle हो गए थे and at the age of 5 years I was there in Panchkula and with my grandparents. We were in a joint family. I grew up there. I had my schooling there. I had the best of friends, the best of memories in that place, Panchkula. And Chandigarh, Panchkula is like, it's so close to my heart no matter where I go. Like, my husband is an army officer, so we keep shifting every 2.5 years. हम लोगों को posting की वजह से shift होना पड़ता है. But my heart will always remain there. And yes, when I'm done with all the, roaming about India, Bharat Darshan jab khatam ho jayega, so that is the place where I am going to, settle. So it was like that. And then, yes, I was not too much into sports. Yeah, I used to play everything, basketball and volleyball and जो मतलब नॉर्मल जो एक फिजिकल एजुकेशन में जो क्लास होती है नॉर्मल स्पोर्ट्स गेम्स पीरियड उसमें आई वाज या प्रीटी एक्टिव बट नेवर आई हैड नेवर दिस थिंग इन माइंड कि कुछ एथलेटिक करना है या इस तरफ जाना है नथिंग नथिंग देयर इज नथिंग एट ऑल आई वाज जस्ट डूइंग इट फॉर द फन ऑफ इट एंड जस्ट एंजॉयिंग विद फ्रेंड्स एंड जस्ट so I in the sports day होता है जो every year annual event होता है स्कूल का तो I was in class 7th then. So that time I had participated, sixth or seventh, I think, yeah. So I participated in those 200-meter races and 100-meter, and I did pretty well. So I was also surprised कि okay, I am able to do. But फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ ना कि when you go into higher education and then studies and they take a lot of load, the workload becomes too much, study का load and a lot of pressure from parents also. And of course, not only parents, आपको खुद भी लगता है. So these things they usually take a back seat. ऐसा ही हो जाता है ना अल्टीमेटली मतलब आपका ध्यान ही नहीं रहता है कि ओके यू आर प्रोबब्ली गुड एट दैट एंड ठीक है वो एक दो बार स्पोर्ट्स डे में हो गया दैट इज नॉट समथिंग नो सो यू डोंट काउंट इट एज मच एंड then it got over that phase was over
So
right
basically,
so
maybe seventh, eighth, ninth, that you did it, and then you just stopped.
हाँ just seventh only not even eighth that sixth
अच्छा,
seventh वाला तो एक स्पोर्ट्स डे था बस उसके ना पहले ना बाद में
okay.
nothing yeah so then उसके बाद वही I did my I'm a BTech in biotechnology So
Okay.
I did that, and then I was teaching also for some time. Then I did ACC. I've done ACC also, Association of
ACC is
Certified.
what?
ACC is Association of Certified Chartered Accountants. It's a UK qualification.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. So I did that, but I could never practice. There were circumstances were such that I could not practice it. But yeah, I've cleared all the exams and all, so that my that study part was complete, but I could never practice. And then I became a mother in 2013.
Mhm.
I got married in 2011, became a mom in 2013,
Mhm.
and उसके बाद फिर थोड़ा सा आया कि okay, I gained a lot of weight, थोड़ा सा shed करते हैं. So
एक
running was
मिनट, प्रियंका,
sorry.
एक सेकंड, यहाँ पे आई वुड लाइक टू टेक अ पॉज हियर. तो बेसिकली यू completed your education and you were never into sports. तो
Mhm.
when did you start doing yoga? Let's talk about yoga a little bit.
Okay, yoga has been very, very recent. Yoga started in 2020. That is that Corona period. Yeah.
And then you started teaching also.
Yes, because I see little bit of yoga I was doing. Like normal जो हम घर पे करते हैं वो सब तो चल रहा था. That
Mhm.
after I think if you're into fitness, ultimately आप योगा में आ ही जाओगे. ठीक है?
Correct,
So
correct.
that was happening but on my own. So but फिर ये आया कि okay let's do that teacher training course. Because see
Okay.
you know so many things but
Hmm.
then you need a certification. If you want
And
to
you are
teach somebody,
structured also.
yes,
Mhm.
yes, yes. So you need to have that certification if you want to really teach someone, okay, in a
Mhm.
structured manner. So usme, it doesn't matter that you know how much knowledge you have, but till the time you're certified, people take you lightly also, I'd say. So
Correct, correct.
that's how I decided to do that yoga teachers training,
Hmm.
200 hours. So I have
Okay.
done YTT 200 hours and 100 and 200 both, level
So
1 and level
Priyanka,
2 sir. Hmm.
हाँ, एक बार again we go back. So
Hmm.
2011 you got married, 2013 you got a kid, and you gained a lot of weight. What like how much weight did you gain approximately? Like was it too much or
18,
just
18 kg.
and that's considering you are very thin, so probably it's still okay. It's not that huge.
Uh-huh. No,
So
no, yeah, it
then,
was not that much. And I
hmm,
wouldn't say that I always considered running to lose weight. No, no. It was never my viewpoint कि मुझे run करना है तो अच्छा है मेरा weight कम हो जाएगा. No. Running came in a different manner to me.
hmm,
So
hmm,
yes, I was into a lot of physical exercises, gymming, and probably running some kilometers on the treadmill itself. Okay.
hmm,
So that was only कि चलो थोड़ा वेट वूट कंट्रोल जिम जाएँगे, थोड़ा वेट्स लिफ्ट करेंगे एंड कार्डियो थोड़ा कर लेंगे. सो जस्ट एज़ अ फॉर्म ऑफ अ कार्डियो. सो
hmm.
वो होता है ना एक्स्ट्रा दैट चबीनेस एंड ऑल शुड आफ्टर प्रेगनेंसी वाला जो थोड़ा-सा लूज़
तो
फैट
आपने कब
एंड
स्टार्ट किया प्रियंका ये like when did you started gymming and all? Which year?
I had a C-section pregnancy in November, okay,
Hmm.
and I started this in March.
Oh, very quickly, like five,
Yeah,
six
yeah.
months afterward.
After the 3 months, I waited for 3 months and then
Mhm,
I started. So, and that too, I started with normal walks, okay,
mhm,
brisk
mhm,
walking, and nothing abdominal exercises I used to avoid because that they tell you that for 6 months you're not going to stress,
mhm,
and no stress should be placed on the
mhm,
abdomen. So I used to avoid, but I used to do that cross trainer and
mhm,
treadmill and brisk walking and lifting weights according to
mhm,
whatever I felt was comfortable. I was not taking any coaching then, but अपने
mhm,
हिसाब से because I had been doing it off and on, so थोड़ा बहुत idea हो जाता है. So वो
mhm.
था, and then I took me 6 to 8 months and I shed a lot of weight. I was back to the pre-pregnancy weight.
नहीं
And I
अच्छा
was
है, you
also
ट्रेन बड़ा आसानी से है ना people.
नहीं आसान एक्चुअली आसान नहीं था बिकॉज़ यू नो यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ डेडिकेशन फॉर इट. यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ सेल्फ मोटिवेशन कि
Mhm,
मुझे बच्चा भी रात को सोने नहीं देता है, वो रात को
mhm,
जगाता है पूरा. आई एम हार्डली गेटिंग 4 आवर्स, 3 आवर्स ऑफ स्लीप throughout the day, and I'm managing the house also, and I'm looking after the kiddo also, and I have to go and work out also for 1 hour. बहुत मेहनत लगती है. It's not easy. But
mhm,
then if you know okay, मुझे ये करना है, this has to be done. So you have to be little strong-headed for that,
mhm.
I'll say.
I
So
was
I
talking
did
to my
mm,
coach yesterday and I was telling him the exact same thing. भाई बहुत मतलब मेंटल मोटिवेशन चाहिए खुद के लिए कि ये करना
बिल्कुल।
है, मतलब इट्स वेरी इजी टू स्लिप एंड नॉट डू इट एंड इट्स वेरी
Yeah,
टेम्पटिंग
yeah.
नॉट
It's
टू
very
नॉट
easy.
डू
See,
इट, है
nobody
ना?
wants to wake up at 4:35 in the morning and okay, I'll go work out. And किसी को अच्छा नहीं लगता है. Nobody likes it. But
हाँ,
it's only that discipline
हुँ,
that only shows how disciplined you are. If you ask
हाँ,
me कि यार तुम आज 10 बजे तक सो जाओ, I would love that. I would love to want to sleep till 10 a.m. in the
हाँ,
morning and then wake up nice and easy and have a hearty breakfast. Everybody wants that. Who would not want that? मैं भी चाहती हूँ इनफैक्ट और भी आई एम श्योर जितने फिटनेस इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं एंड फिटनेस कोचेस एवरीबॉडी वांट्स दैट. But then
हाँ,
there has to be some discipline in life. Not
बिल्कुल।
much, at least I would say 5 days a week अपने आप को डिसिप्लिन रह के चलिए एंड 1 or 2 days yeah you can slip. It's okay.
हाँ,
That
नहीं,
way.
नहीं, I totally agree. So Priyanka, now then let's talk about when did you start running then? Like how did
हाँ.
running come into
So
picture?
like how participating into events and taking it a little bit seriously came. So that also happened during the COVID period. I was pretty lean and thin at that time. There's no nothing like कि मुझको weight loss करना है या मैंने COVID में बहुत खा लिया तो मेरा weight gain हो गया. नहीं, in fact it was the opposite. It only started because see you also know that there was a lockdown and you were not able to people were not able to venture out of their houses and mentally everybody was very stressed. So the same
हुँ,
thing used to happen with us also. No, we at home I used to feel, and like my husband and होता था कि यार ना कहीं बाहर जाने को हो रहा है ऊपर से एंड द काइंड ऑफ न्यूज दैट वाज टेलीकास्टेड ऑन द टेलीविजन इट्स वेरी डिप्रेसिंग. और उसमें अगर कोई और रिश्तेदार बीमार हो जाए तो और लगता है कि पता नहीं क्या ही चल रहा है. इट्स वेरी disheartening and it creates a lot of negative impact. So we
absolutely.
were staying inside a cantonment, and in the cantonment we had that privilege to be out morning evening 2 hours they used to give us, and we could venture out, we could move out क्योंकि
हुँ,
लॉकडाउन का कुछ नहीं होता था. एंड देन सो वी डिड दैट. सो फॉर दैट जस्ट टू गेट दैट रिस्पाइट कि घर से बाहर निकल रहे हैं एंड सो जस्ट टू गैदर दोज हैप्पी हॉर्मोन्स आई विल से.
हुँ,
So वो हमने that is how we started. I started and then my husband थोड़ा-सा हम साथ में करते थे and then he encouraged me कि यार you are very good. So if
हुँ,
you are so good, why don't you 10 Ks तो you do आराम से. So then ठीक है, then I started pushing myself to 12 Ks, 15 Ks, then a half marathon. Then half marathon became like a routine. Every week
हुँ,
twice I was doing, which is not to be
हुँ,
actually नहीं करना चाहिए. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पुश करी थी because I had no training ना. So मैं बट मुझे लगता था यार I don't feel any aches, my legs are good and सब कुछ ठीक है. तो मैं कर लेती थी and I used
हुँ,
to and I was I in fact I'd say that अभी how the like जो स्पीड पे मैं अभी रन करती हूँ, जिस पेस पे मैं तब उससे बेटर पेस पे रन करती थी.
but then
So
Priyanka, okay, a question to you from that point and as such. तो व्हाई डू यू थिंक आप इतना अच्छा पेस पे स्टार्टिंग में भाग पाते थे? डू यू थिंक समवेयर इयर्स ऑफ दैट gym training that you did, probably you built up those muscles silently. You may not be that aware, but somewhere you had the strength, which I think most of the runners miss on. रनर्स को
yes,
रनर्स हाई चाहिए होता है,
yes.
भाग लेते हैं, बट नो वेट्स, नो स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग ऑल टुगेदर.
No, that is the biggest mistake actually. Most people are doing also these days, but yes, awareness is being created about it. And now, since we are talking, so let me make that clear. Without strength training, only if you are doing running and running 6 days a week, it is going to spoil your body. It is going to take away all the muscle mass from your body, and you will start looking old. Actually, because muscles, healthy muscle building is something that makes you younger. And if you are losing running, because it's a cardio activity, it will make you lose muscle mass. Even if I am training 4 days a week, doing strength training 4 days a week, but I am running long distances also. तो मेरा वो impact जो है वो रहेगा ही कि my body will never be able to maintain that muscle because the cardio thing that I'm doing is so much. 50 किलोमीटर्स अ वीक की एवरेज माइलेज पे अगर मैं चल रही हूँ, तो वो मसल तो लेगा ही ना, लेगा ही। तो उसको मेंटेन करने के रखने के लिए भी आपको स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग चाहिए। दूसरा टू प्रिवेंट इंजरीज, इफ यू ओनली कीप रनिंग एंड रनिंग, यू विल बाउंड टू गेट इंजर्ड. So just
Mhm.
to strengthen those leg muscles, those abdominal muscles and everything, and your back muscles, everything, running activity में पूरा upper to lower body has to be in a very, very good shape. तो
Mhm.
ठीक है, you might be lucky and आपको लगता होगा कि आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप तो पहले ही इतना अच्छा कर रहे हो। So no, वो long term में effects are definitely going to show.
Mhm.
So strength training is something if not 4 या 4 sometimes becomes too much, तो at least 3 दिन तो it has to be done. 3 days a week आप करिए, 3 भी नहीं हो रहा है तो 2 days कीजिए, leg strengthening, plyometrics, and if you are an endurance athlete, most endurance athletes are doing it. So
Mhm.
that is how you are going to survive those grueling races, otherwise कैसे करेंगे?
पर प्रियंका मैंने एक चीज देखा है, आई थिंक समवेयर एवरीवन नोज इट, बट जब कोई भी स्टार्ट करता है ना, उसको लगता है सब मतलब सब ऐसे ही बोल रहे हैं, एंड देन दे गेट इंजर्ड, एंड देन दे
हाँ,
लर्न इट, एंड देन दे गो
हाँ।
बैक टू द बेसिक्स, देन दे स्ट्रेंथन इट हैपेंस विद मी।
एब्सोल्युटली यही होता है व्हाट यू आर सेइंग इज करेक्ट यू पीपल realize it very late. I'll not say I count myself also into it because I did my first ultra when I did it. I was not too much into strength training. I was doing it. मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी नहीं करती थी because जिम जाने की आदत होती है तो आप करते ही हो, but not the way that now I know that how it's supposed to be done. उस टाइम पे वैसा नहीं था. So yeah, you over a period of time getting that exposure, meeting many people, going out into events that broadens your horizon. So you get to know, you get to learn a lot and you know where you are faltering. You come to know कि कहाँ यहाँ से आगे क्या कैसे जाना है. So that is very important. Yeah.
Okay. And then Priyanka, from there, now half marathon, I think I always feel is still a doable thing without
Yes.
much of a pain. But when
Yes.
you increase the distance from half to full and then to ultras, somewhere some level of pain is always involved. Hana? So why that decision of ultra, and which one was your first ultra? How did it feel?
Okay. Okay, so what happened was that the first, okay, this whatever I'm telling you that I was running, I increased my mileage and I was doing half marathons at least twice a week हो ही जाता था. आज दिल किया चलो half marathon. Planning के बिना ही चलती थी मैं. बिल्कुल
Mhm.
that's wrong actually, but that's what used to happen early in the beginning months or years I would say. Okay, so I not participated in any event. आई डिडन्ट नो
Mhm.
इवेंट अच्छा ऐसा होता है, वहाँ पे ऐसा होता है, वहाँ ये मिलता है, मेडल मिलता है, ये होता है, नथिंग कुछ मुझे ज़ीरो नॉलेज था एंड दिस इज़ नॉट
Mhm.
आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फार बैक लाइक कि 10 साल पहले ऐसा था. नो, नो, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 2020.
Ah,
People
people
were
are
so much
aware.
into it. People
Ah.
were so much into it and I was that one person जिसमें अच्छा होते हैं, ओके, नथिंग कुछ पता नहीं
Mhm.
था. तो दैट्स हाउ तो फिर आई डिसाइडेड कि ओके आई विल पार्टिसिपेट. वी वर पोस्टेड, माय हस्बैंड वाज पोस्टेड इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट. सो आई डिसाइडेड ओके नाउ अभी कोविड इज ओवर, लेट्स स्टार्ट पार्टिसिपेटिंग. सो आई डिसाइडेड क्या करूं, अच्छा समझ भी नहीं आ रहा था. फिर एक गुवाहाटी स्टेडियम रन आया. सो आई सर चलो आई विल ट्राई दिस स्टेडियम रन. So I was used to running for 2.5 hours maximum. That was I had run. Okay, and completed a distance of 30K, 30K. हाँ मतलब 2.5 to 3 hours. तो उसमें 30K was the maximum distance that I had done. Okay,
Mhm.
in my training only, in
Which
usual
is so
practice.
good. Mhm.
हाँ, so in my usual practice I did it. So then I decided कि okay I'll do a 4 hour stadium run. डरती तो अंदर से डर तो लगता ही है ना अभी जब कुछ भी नहीं किया और अचानक से फर्स्ट करना है तो हाउ टू सिलेक्ट एंड व्हाट टू डू. सो आई डिसाइडेड कि ओके 4 hours. देन माय हस्बैंड इज टेलिंग मी कि अच्छा कर लूंगी 4 hours. मैंने कहा हाँ कर लूंगी, 3 तो कर ही लिया है तो 4 भी कर लेंगे. तो मतलब उस माइंडसेट से हम चलते थे. So then I went for Guwahati Stadium run and I ended up getting a podium, which was like again okay. The run got over. I still remember the run got over and my husband was there and I come back and I was total tired because itna kabhi kiya nahi tha na. I almost covered 40 kilometers in 4 hours. So
Oh, wow.
yeah, and my first run and when I'm telling my husband कि okay मुझसे खड़ा भी नहीं हुआ जा रहा. My legs were shaky. Actually
Mm.
shaky after that. And then I was like, चलो let's go home and it's done and शुक्र है खत्म हुआ. वाला एटीट्यूड था तब तो। एंड उसमें वो अनाउंसर्स अनाउंसर्स चल रहे थे। मुझे तो कहीं एंड स्टेडियम ब्रांचेस इज सच अ रन, यू वुड नॉट कम टू नो इफ यू आर इन द फर्स्ट 3 और वो पता ही नहीं चलता है बिकॉज़
नहीं
इट्स
पता।
प्रीटी कंफ्यूजिंग आल्सो एंड फॉर अ बिगिनर लाइक मी जिसका इवेंट ही पहला था वो एंड दैट वाज स्टेडियम रन। सो फिर अनाउंसमेंट हुआ एंड दे अनाउंस्ड माय नेम, आई वाज लाइक वाओ एंड I took my prize and I was like really happy. That was my first event. And then बस फिर from there on it started and फिर हो गया ना 40 तो हो गया है। तो फिर अब 40 हो गया है तो फिर you know you get that hunger inside you. It it's just that only. वो जो भूख है ना कि अब 40 तो हो गया, अरे I can do this, इसका मतलब I can go beyond 40 also. So that is how the ultra happened. So then I came to know about this through some advertisement. I came to know about this Mashobra, Toughman Mashobra. Okay, so
In
this is
fact, I
where
think before that you also did, yeah, Mashobra, and then you did Kaziranga also. And
Kaziranga
I
was
think that's
second
why you
ultra.
were called the queen of hills in the ultra running scene. Yeah.
Yes,
So,
yes. Because I was always doing hill ultras.
yeah, and that's a big thing because hill mein challenge is even higher. It's the
Yes.
distance already, of course it is, but उसके
हाँ.
बाद elevation भी add on हो जाता है.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. And I didn't have any experience actually. तो मैं बिना experience और बिना किसी coaching या I had no mentor or no running coach. सो विदाउट दैट ओनली जो दिख रहा था, जो समझ में आ रहा था, बस उस हिसाब से चलते जा रहे थे। ये था एंड आई वाज़ नॉट टॉकिंग टू टू मेनी पीपल राइट सी अभी क्या हो गया है ना, अभी यू आर टॉकिंग टू सो मेनी पीपल, यू आर कमिंग इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद सो मेनी पीपल तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें पता लगती हैं। तब में कुछ भी नहीं था, नथिंग मतलब इट वाज़ जस्ट अ सोलो थिंग दैट आई वाज़ डूइंग एंड आई गॉट वन पोडियम सो आई गॉट लिटिल होपफुल कि ओके दैट मीन्स एंड देयर यू नो पीपल टेल यू, यू आर वेरी गुड इफ यू फिनिश for almost 40-41 kilometers in 4 hours, you're very good.
In your very first run, it is very, even
हाँ,
now, if we say, even after for an
हाँ,
experienced runner, it is very good. And that
हाँ।
was your first
तो
event, yes.
हाँ, so जब लोगों ने बोला तो फिर लगा कि यार ओके इसका मतलब ठीक-ठाक ही है, काम चल रहा। तो
Uh-huh.
then that is how then I came to know about Mashobra. Then Mashobra has had 30K, 50K, 80K, half marathon, all categories were there. And we were in Northeast and Mashobra is like it was happening in Mashobra near Shimla. So I knew that okay यहाँ से जाने में ही मुझे 2 दिन तो लगेंगे। ठीक है
Mm,
एंड देन आई वांटेड टू ट्राई देन आई डिस
mm,
अब नाउ द पॉइंट वाज व्हिच कैटेगरी एंड ये
mm,
पता था कि रूट इज प्रॉपर ऊपर नीचे रोलिंग हिल्स एंड देन 30K सोचा फिर देन आई सेड नहीं 30 नहीं 50K करेंगे अब इतनी दूर
mm,
जा ही रहे हैं तो कुछ ढंग का करके आएंगे नहीं तो फिर क्या फायदा है फिर रहने दो so
mm.
you know and you tend to spend a lot of money on your traveling and on your stay and everything so there are lines might as well it should be worth it so that's how Mashobra happened. That was my first ultra, 50K, and as a first podium finisher in Mashobra as well. I
Wow.
completed it in around, I don't remember exactly, but I think it took me 6 hours, 45 minutes or 7 hours, something like that.
And it is considered tough, Priyanka. मैंने
हाँ,
जितने भी
हाँ,
लोगों से मशोबरा के बारे में सुना है ना, even
हाँ,
among
हाँ,
the hill runs, it is considered
yeah.
very tough.
Yeah. So if you want good hill training and good hill running experience, because it has a bit of trail also there. It has ITRA
Mhm.
points as well. So it has a trail also there, and the trail is very, very bad trail actually.
Yeah, right, right.
So that is how, na? And I had, and a lot of mistakes also had happened in my runs, and that happened because I had no one as a mentor
Mhm.
and I was not talking to too many people and sharing experiences to get to know more. So those
Okay.
mistakes probably happened because of that.
So now, Priyanka, आपने मशोबरा भी कर लिया 52, है ना? तो how did you, because you were not trained by anyone, तो आप अपना practice runs कैसे plan करते थे? You would just plan by distance or how?
No. I used to practice like you know if I'm doing a 50K, so मेरा ये रहता था कि I will do some good number of half marathons, okay, and then one good long run of around 40 kilometers. जब 50K की मैंने तैयारी की, then one good long run of 40 kilometers I did.
Okay, that
ओके।
was the
एंड देन
maximum you
उसके
could
बाद
even
मुझे
run.
लगता था कि ओके नाउ अब इतना कर लिया है तो रेस डे पे 50 तक पुश कर लेंगे अपने आप को।
करेक्ट, करेक्ट, थोड़ा-सा
So that
होता
was the
है।
mindset that I was going with because I had
Mhm.
nobody to guide me at that point. So
Okay. Okay. So then, Priyanka, after having done that, you did Kaziranga also, and then you did a Bangalore midnight
midnight
full
marathon.
marathon also,
Yes.
and then you
Full
did the
marathon.
Khardungla challenge.
Yes,
So
yes.
now I think 50s is okay. The Khardungla mein, when you went to Ladakh, so you directly tried for Khardungla. You never did participate in a half marathon or full marathon.
No, no, no.
तो
That is what
इतना
everybody was
कॉन्फिडेंस कहाँ से
asking me.
लेके आया?
That is what
Sorry to
everybody
say.
asked me. That
हाँ,
have you done a full marathon here? When I went there and I met all the runners over
हाँ,
there, all the running people, great people from the running community. So that's what
yeah.
they used to ask me. You have done a full marathon? I said, no, I'm directly doing a Kharbangla. But yes, I had done before that, the year before that, I had done a full marathon in Tawang.
Oh yes, yes. That is also considered very nice run.
Yes, yes, that's very good. The route is very good, 10,000 feet altitude. So I had that thing in mind that full marathon I have already done at Tawang. No doubt the altitude at Tawang and Ladakh, they're entirely different. Tawang is at a much lower altitude and Ladakh is I mean, it's the highest.
हाँ,
So,
और ऊपर से
वो
खारडुंगला
different.
उसके भी ऊपर आ जाता है। लाइक
हाँ,
इवन
and
लद्दाख इज ओके, बट खारडुंगला और भी ऊपर हो जाता है।
Huh. So I just thought, okay, I'll take this chance. And what happened during this time was that I did my Tawang, I did Bengaluru midnight, and then my training was going really good. Now, after my Kaziranga Ultra, I had a running coach, Coach Shreyas.
हम्म।
So since then, I have had a running coach. So it's been
Which
almost
year, what time was that when you got a coach, and why did you decide to get a coach?
it was in 2022.
Okay, okay, very early on itself when you started running, maybe after a year or two.
Yeah, 2020 I started running. So say 1.5 year के बाद.
Okay,
Because
coach,
हुआ
who's
क्या?
the coach?
Sorry?
Who's the coach? Sorry.
Coach Shreyas, Bangalore from Runners 360
Okay,
is the
Shreyas. Yeah. Okay,
coach.
360. Yes. Shreyas and
Runners 360.
Deepa Nayak,
Coach
right?
Deepa. Yeah, Coach
Yes,
Deepa.
yes.
So Shreyas
And
is my coach.
why did you decide that you'll hire a coach?
Okay, so what was happening was that runs to I was doing and podiums भी आ रहे थे. It was going well. There was nothing missing or ऐसा नहीं था कि I was facing some injury. Nothing like that. So why I decided was that I felt that I don't know, यहाँ से अब मैं आगे कहाँ कहाँ जाऊँ? क्या करूँ?
Hmm.
How to go about it. There was kind of a plateau that had reached.
Okay.
So just to break that plateau and just to be more systematic,
Mhm.
just to know the sport more, like, what more is required into it and
Hmm.
how we should go about it. So that was the reason that I decided that now, okay, abhi to coach chahiye. Abhi somebody knowledgeable I want that who should guide me.
तो
So,
आपको डिफरेंस लगा प्रियंका बिफोर यू वर डूइंग इन योर बाय
yes.
योरसेल्फ?
Absolutely, there's a lot of difference. See, we all are amateur runners, and जो running coach hai, who have the proper knowledge and who've been into this sport for let's say 25 years, so obviously they would know the sport inside and out. So हम लोग तो फिर कुछ भी नहीं होते ना. So that is how. That is what the difference, the small technical details that we do not pay attention to. That is what, if you have a good, knowledgeable, certified coach, that is what is going to make a difference in your running.
Okay.
So that is how it happened. And then Coach Shreyas, I seek guidance from him, and we have our strength sessions. He gives me my plans. I am also mentoring people. I am also a
Yeah,
coach for many
I think
people.
I think it's very nice because you said that, because I think it's important for people to understand that the coach also needs a coach.
Absolutely, absolutely. We all are human beings at the end of the
Right.
day. We all are individuals, and we आपको चाहिए कोई कि आपको क्या, see, I cannot discuss my problems with my mentees. with
Mhm.
people who are taking coaching from me, मैं उनके साथ अपना रोना या अपने problems नहीं discuss कर सकती. I also need somebody to discuss my problems with. Okay,
Correct.
and to discuss where I'm facing an issue in the sport. Okay, I got injured. आज मेरा ऐसा हो गया. Okay, and to discuss my races, I cannot discuss all those things with my clients and with my students. I cannot do that. No, so even the best of coaches in the country will always have a coach. I'm telling you, they will
Yes,
have a
I think
mentor.
it's very, very nice of you to say that. And I
Yes,
think it's a very good mindset also. From a
yes,
mentor
yes.
perspective also,
You
it
know,
has to be a very open discussion and it has to be very acceptable because it's a human need,
yes,
right?
it's a human being. And see, you should not think that you know everything.
Yeah.
अब मुझे सब कुछ आ गया है एंड आई डोंट नीड एनीबॉडी इन माय लाइफ ऐसा नहीं है मुझे कोई सिखा नहीं सकता यू आर
Mhm.
ऑलवेज ट्रेनेबल
Correct.
you
Absolutely.
that hunger to learn more to know more has to be there if you want to grow as
Correct.
a not only in sport but also as a mentor or as a trainer as a fitness coach. I have to be open to all the learning experiences that I get and discuss things with my fellow runners or my mentors or people who I look up to. So that is very important. So if you
Absolutely.
know just feel and create that thing, okay, now I have reached that point. मेरा मुझे तो ये भी मिल गया
वहां
है,
से
मुझे
डाउन
ये भी
लिफ्ट
कर लिया
आती
है. हाँ, हाँ. So that lot of gratitude has to be there, and you've got to know that okay, no, you do not know everything.
है.
You should be open to learning 100% all the time. You should be open to learning.
Correct. So Priyanka, let's go back to there, Khardungla. वो कैसे आपने
हाँ.
decide किया and how was
तो
your
फिर
run? What was your
हाँ,
mental?
तो तवांग हो गया एंड देन जनवरी में आई माय ट्रेनिंग वाज गोइंग वेरी वेरी वेल बट मेरा आई गॉट एन इंजरी इन जनवरी एंड ऑफ जनवरी सो माय
What
इट इज दैट
injury?
ITBS IT band syndrome and
Oh, I heard
TFL
about it.
both. Okay,
Hmm.
so it was in one leg.
Hmm.
In the beginning, it was in one leg and on my right leg. And it was so painful that one day and actually I ignored it also. And this is, I would like to share it with all the runners. What happens is that, we get so carried away with our schedules, with our runs that, okay, आज जाना है तो आज जाना ही है, आज इतने किलोमीटर्स करने हैं तो करने ही हैं. ये चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा हम लोगों के अंदर आ जाती है. So the same thing was happening with me also. And I was breaking barriers. I was doing very, very good in January. Okay,
Hmm.
as far as my training was concerned. So I thought कि इस बार तो सब 4 है फुल मैराथन में सब 4 करना है और
सब
उस
छोड़
वे में
देना.
ट्रेनिंग चल रही थी. हाँ, फुल ऑन चल रही थी एंड बहुत अच्छा. देन व्हाट हैपेंड वो जब ये हो गया तो वन ऑफ माय रन्स ओनली आई फेस्ड सो मच डिफिकल्टी 22 किलोमीटर्स मैं ट्रेनिंग रन में भाग रही थी. आई हैड टू डू 30 दैट डे एंड बस उसके बाद मैं लंगड़ाते हुए ही घर आई हूँ. बिकॉज़ उससे पहले वाले रन्स में इट वाज़ हैपनिंग मुझे बाद में दुखता था और वो ठीक हो जाता था एंड आई यूज्ड टू फील कि नहीं ये तो ठीक हो गया है. देन यू डोंट पे अटेंशन. दैट इज़ वेयर आई वेंट रॉन्ग. Then after that, फिर I had to stop only. Then for 20 days I had registered for New Delhi Marathon. So
Hmm.
वो उसी की तैयारी चल रही थी. तो
Hmm.
आई थॉट कि ये तो न्यू दिल्ली तो अब गया, ये हो गया है.
Hmm.
फिर भी बहुत पॉज़िटिव उसमें रही एंड आई टूक फिजियोथेरेपी सेशंस एंड बहुत मेहनत करी. रिहैब पे भी सब किया, सब सेशंस भी लिए. बट फिर हुआ ये कि अल्टीमेटली ये दिमाग में ये था कि मिस तो नहीं करना है.
Hmm.
न्यू एनडीएम के लिए रजिस्टर 6 मंथ्स पहले कर दिया था मैंने एंड आई वाज़ लाइक मिस तो नहीं करूँगी मैं. आई एम गोइंग टू डू दिस. आई एम गोइंग टू रन. आई विल रेस्ट. आई विल बी फाइन एंड अगेन वन मोर मिस्टेक. One more mistake here. Okay, it should not have been that way. Because वही है ना, आप accept ही नहीं करना चाहते. You don't want to accept, and I'm sure there are many people like me who would have been doing the same mistake.
Me, I had IT band issue. I suffered. And I did a run. एक run के बाद लंगड़ाते हुए घर आए. And ultimately it paused me for 3 long months, 3 painfully long months.
Painfully, yes, painfully long one. So same thing happened here, and then I सब कुछ हो गया था. Then I told my coach. He said कैसे है, क्या करना है. मैंने बोला सर सब ठीक है and I'll run and हो जाएगा. देखते हैं कैसा रहता है. बड़े पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड के साथ मैं गई वहाँ. मैंने टेपिंग वगैरह भी करवा ली थी. sports taping and all, I got it done so that it gives you a little bit more support. अब हुआ क्या कि invariably when you are running, although it was in the right leg, my first half went very very well. सब 2 पे चल रहा था first half and I knew कि हो जाएगा and but invariably होता क्या है when one leg is weak तो आप पूरा लोड दूसरे लेग पे लेना शुरू कर देते हो. So the same thing happened and my second leg also it got spoiled after left side भी खराब हो गया पूरा after NDM. And NDM में I actually struggled. Actually, I have crawled towards the finish line. I will say it was my slowest marathon, and I had prepared so well. Bus because वो last में injury हुई and सब हुआ. It was my slowest marathon. I finished in 4 hours 35 minutes. And
Oh.
yes, and I
Mm.
came there. I cannot tell you that the pain that I was enduring during the last 15 kilometers, and in that pain, but I had that in my mind कि I will not stop. I have to
Mm.
cross the finish line और मैं कैसे पहुंची हूँ I know. मतलब
Mm.
that is one hell of an experience that I had, which has been a setback also. But it's a big, big learning lesson that if you have an injury, accept it and do not spoil it more. I spoiled it more. Because of my own
Mm.
mistake, I spoiled it
और
more.
फिर रिकवरी में उससे भी ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है जितना
It
एक्चुअल
probably
में
took me
लगना
4
था।
months. Yeah, it took me 4 months. और उसके बाद भी अभी भी अगर आप मुझसे पूछो कि मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं होता है, नहीं, मुझे अभी भी हो रहा है. It's been February and now see it's November.
हुँ, हुँ, हुँ,
So that's how, na? So we get carried away, which is very, very wrong. You are
हुँ,
actually abusing your body, which I would say that I also did just because that mind में वो दिमाग में बिठा लिया था कि नहीं करना ही ऐसे कैसे नहीं होगा. वो चलो
हुँ।
कर भी लिया, बट उसके आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स तो फिर देखने पड़ रहे हैं ना, फिर छोड़नी पड़ी रनिंग 4 महीना
प्रियंका मुझे लगता है ना
2
वही मैं बोलती हूँ। पता है मुझे लगता है ना सबको सब कुछ पता होता है ना?
हुँ,
ऐसा नहीं कि हमें नहीं पता होता, हमने कहीं न कहीं
बिल्कुल,
पढ़ा होता है, लोगों के एक्सपीरियंसेस से।
बिल्कुल,
बट एंड में हम मानते तभी हैं जब खुद का गंदा एक्सपीरियंस हो जाता है, तब तक हम नहीं मानते, हमें लगता है बाकी
हाँ।
सबके साथ ना हमारे साथ नहीं होगा।
नहीं
लेकिन
होगा, अरे ये तो सबके साथ होता है। इवन इफ पीपल कम एंड टेल यू, यू विल नॉट लिसन टू देम एट दैट पॉइंट। यू विल फील
करेक्ट
ओके, ठीक है, बट माय बॉडी इज़ डिफरेंट। यू वुड ऑलवेज से माय बॉडी इज़ डिफरेंट। ऐसे कि
ये
आप कोई भगवान के अवतार आए हैं ना, जो आपका बॉडी डिफरेंट है।
राइट
तो
हाँ, देन करेक्ट कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम देयर तो फिर आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई यू रजिस्टर्ड इन केसी राइट?
yes, that is the
ओके।
reason that I see my अच्छा हुआ क्या ना अब 4 months for a runner who has been very very active and doing runs and उसको आप बोल दो कि आप कुछ करोगे ही नहीं और
हाँ।
करोगे नहीं भी आप कर भी नहीं सक रहे हो ऐसा नहीं है कि आई डिड नॉट ट्राई इट वंस और ट्वाइस आई ट्राइड गोइंग फॉर अ 5 किलोमीटर चल 5 ही ट्राई करती हूँ चल 4 ही करती हूँ सब किया ट्राई पर जब ऐसा लगता था ना कि फिर से शूटिंग पेन स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो अपने आप पाँव रुक जाते हैं। तो कुछ नहीं किया फिर फाइनली डिसाइडेड कि नाउ जस्ट कीप काम 4 महीने सब छोड़ दो। अपने आप जब ठीक होगा तब देखेंगे, नहीं है तो नहीं। So why I chose Khardungla? Coming back to that, I chose Khardungla because Khardungla is an endurance race. Khardungla is not a speed race. So
नॉट
my
एट ऑल।
injury and my this thing, I could not run very fast. By the time I started training for I only trained for 2 months for Khardungla.
हुँ,
I
हुँ,
did not
हुँ,
train more because मैं उससे पहले ठीक ही नहीं थी. I was not in a condition to train. And so Khardungla was the only reason for me to choose Khardungla was number one, it will be a big step up from what I had been doing earlier at a high
हुँ,
mountain and such a prestigious event. And number two, it was the kind of event that suited me.
हुँ,
ओके बिकॉज़ आई न्यू कि इसमें मुझे एंड्योरेंस आई न्यू माय एंड्योरेंस इज़ गुड। एंड्योरेंस
हुँ,
चाहिए, टाइम है बस टाइम ठीक-ठीक से निकलते जाओ कट ऑफ से तो आई विल बी एबल टू फिनिश इट ऑफ एंड आई डोंट हैव टू रन वेरी फास्ट टू वो सब नहीं करना है। सो
हुँ,
आई थॉट ओके दिस अगर ये हो जाएगा तो ठीक रहेगा एंड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आई हैड फुल होप कि हो जाएगा।
हुँ,
मैनेज कर लूँगी कैसे जैसे
हुँ,
तो करके। So that is how I chose Khardungla rather than choosing any full marathon or because I knew मेरा pace अच्छा नहीं आएगा, मेरा timing नहीं आएगा. So why to get yourself into something like that, no?
हुँ।
So Khardungla I did, it was, I think 13 hours, 20 minutes, sort of.
Okay.
And,
How was your
yeah.
experience of Khardungla? Was it difficult or was it okay?
Yes, it was difficult, no doubt in that. It is difficult and it tests every bit of you. So, वो तो है ही
Mentally
है।
or
यहाँ पे
physically, it was more difficult.
mentally you have to be very strong. Mentally you have to push yourself. Your legs will give up. 50 kilometers ऊपर चढ़ के, and the kind of elevation it has, especially going towards the K top, the Khardungla top, the kind of elevation that is there, my goodness. And not only elevation, you are facing the difficulty in breathing. At the same time, people I have seen fellow runners, they're sitting on the side of the road and trying to catch their breath, taking deep breaths over there. It's that kind. So, not for the weak of will. So
I think
that
very
mentally,
rightly said.
yes. Hmm.
और पता है वहां पे तो नीचे उतरते हुए भी सांस चढ़ जाती है, मतलब ऊपर
Because
चढ़ते हुए तो देखो चढ़ेगी ही चढ़ेगी तुम्हें, मतलब यू विल बी आउट ऑफ
everybody
ब्रेथ बट
says, कि जब आप नीचे आ रहे हो तब तो नीचे आ रहे हो। अरे आप नीचे आ रहे हो बट आप ऑल्टीट्यूड तो 13,000 पे ही बैठे हो, 14,000, 15,000 ऑल्टीट्यूड पे ही हो आप। 13 पे तो आप तब आते हो जब आप ले टाउन पहुँचते हो। तो आप
करेक्ट।
15 पे तो हो, आप 14,000 पे ही तो हो। उसी पे आप कितना तेज़ भाग लोगे? एंड बाय दैट टाइम योर लेग्स आल्सो स्टार्ट गिविंग अप ना, बिकॉज़ आप पूरा अप स्लोप आ रहे हो उससे पहले। So आप कितना कर लोगे? So that no doubt there are many people who've done very well, but considering all the odds that were there because of my less practice, people practice also very well. मैंने सिर्फ 2 महीना तैयारी करी, उसमें जितना हुआ, and the maximum distance I ran before Khardungla, you'll not believe, it was not beyond. I think it was a 32 or 33 kilometer. That's it, and I did Khardungla after that.
Priyanka, I think it's also muscle memory. You
Yes.
had that endurance पहले का, which
हाँ,
help you.
वो
मतलब
था
कोई
and
ऐसा
plus
नहीं सोच सकता कि आज शुरू करे and they do 30 and they go for KC. That would be a stupidity. But then you
नहीं,
had that endurance built over years.
मसल मेमोरी, और ये भी पता था कि और ये भी होता है कि मेंटली आई नो आई एम वेरी स्ट्रांग, आई डोंट गिव अप इजी। सो वो दैट थिंग वाज़ देयर कि नहीं मुझे ये करना है, चाहे मैं अगर 14-15 आवर्स की कट ऑफ है, 14 आवर्स की कट ऑफ है, मैं चाहे 13:50 पे खत्म करूँ बट मैं खत्म करके आऊँगी। सो दैट थिंग हैज़ टू बी देयर इफ you want to be in this sport, you want to go and uh, push your limits in this sport. So that has to be there in your mind, especially if you are an endurance athlete. Especially if you
Endurance.
are an
Yeah.
endurance athlete. So
How was your feeling after finishing it, Priyanka? Was
oh,
it
it was great. It was unbelievable actually. It was unbelievable. उससे हफ्ता 10 दिन 20 दिन पहले से लग रहा था अच्छा हो जाएगी ना, you give yourself those self affirmations.
yeah.
You talk to yourself and then you keep thinking, रात को सोते हुए भी वही सोच रहे हो जाएगी ना। फिर then I'm thinking to myself, यार the maximum distance you've ran in the last 2 months is 33 kilometers. हो जाएगी, it's going to be double, more than double of that. एंड द ऑल्टीट्यूड, हाँ हो जाएगी। देन आई यूज्ड टू कंसोल माय सेल्फ, नहीं हो जाएगी, ऐसा नहीं है। यू नो हाउ टू हैंडल, यू विल हैंडल। एंड बहुत तेज तो यू डोंट हैव टू रन टू फास्ट, बस थोड़ा अच्छे से एक्लेमेटाइज कर लेंगे, और वो सब चलता था माइंड में। तो वही चल रहा था। तो जब हो गया तो लगा कि अच्छा हो भी गया।
Yeah.
वो होता है ना कि इतनी तैयारी और इतनी क्वेश्चनिंग और इतना सेल्फ डाउट भी आ रहा था एक टाइम पे। आप अपने आप को बोलते भी कि नहीं हो जाएगा, बट देन दैट 1-2% ऑफ सेल्फ डाउट आल्सो इज ऑलवेज देयर।
Always
सो
there.
दैट वाज़ आल्सो कमिंग। सब कुछ लग रहा था, बट जब अल्टीमेटली हो गया तो देन यू फील अच्छा हो गया, एंड देन यू फील ओके व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट? वो भी होता
I
है।
think that is the most weird part. You have stressed on it, yourself so many months
हाँ,
thinking about one event.
हाँ,
Finally वो हो जाती है। उसकी खुशी
हाँ,
भी बाद में मनाते हैं, पहले अब अगला क्या करना है। That's one thing which is very, very weird and probably
हाँ।
needs to be changed among runners,
यस,
including
यस।
myself. Yeah.
सो
मतलब
वो
थोड़ा
था
टाइम
कि
चाहिए।
लगा हो गया है, अच्छा लिटरली हो गया है, ओके। देन पीपल ओके हो गया, यू आर पीपल कांग्रेचुलेटिंग यू, ऑल द रनर्स, फ्रेंड्स, माय कोच, एवरीबॉडी कर लिया है। एंड सब कट ऑफ टाइम पे पहले टाइम से पहले पहुंच गए थे, ऑल दोस कट ऑफ पॉइंट्स जो है। एंड सब हो गया था एंड देन वही लगा कि ओके अब तो अच्छा हो गया है, चलो ठीक है हो गया है। नहीं हाँ, वो अब कोई बोलता है ना कि बहुत बड़ा चीज़ किया या वो तो लगता है नहीं ठीक किया, इतना कोई बड़ा नहीं था बट कर लिया। So
But I
because
think
that is because you feel okay, I have achieved it. That is, that is what is important. That you have to stay grounded no matter what you achieve. You have to know that there are things which are more difficult and which are people are doing things which are more difficult and far more demanding than what I have done or
Priyanka,
what many of
and
us have done.
प्रियंका मुझे वैसे भी लगता है पता है स्पेशली व्हेन यू डू अ माउंटेन रेस ना यू नेवर नो व्हेन थिंग्स कैन गो रॉन्ग you were able to
Yes,
do it good. That
absolutely.
was your good day. But you never know things can, just tilt in any direction any day.
Very
मतलब
true.
मुझे
Very,
ऐसा
very
लगता है
true.
ना मतलब I think mountains, especially mountains, really humble you. कि they've let you
Mm.
pass through. Like it's not you that who's able to do it, it's the mountains who let
They
you
are
pass through.
allowing you, basically, the
Yeah.
mountains, the hills, they are allowing you to pass through them and, and to finish and not going and nothing. And I am a hypertension patient big time. I take medicines every day for
Oh, is it?
hypertension. And for me to do a run at this altitude was an achievement in itself because घर वाले and family को भी लगता है कि she has hypertension, she's on medication, and I've been on medication for 2 years now
What is
and still carrying
hypertension?
on with the sport.
What is hypertension? Like, sorry, I'm not sure.
Blood pressure. I'm a blood pressure patient.
Acha, okay. But
Mm,
then
yes.
did running not help you regulate it better?
I was already doing a lot of running when this was discovered.
Ach-
So everybody feels that only that why, how come you have got it? You are the
Ah,
last person to get it. You're so fit. I was never overweight. I was never, I'm never into bad eating habits or anything. Or कि हुआ क्यों? I mean, lot of tests were done, thyroid, ये वो बहुत कुछ करवाया, कुछ भी नहीं निकला. I have essential hypertension. So essential hypertension is like it's genetic. So
okay.
yeah, everybody like my dad's side of the family, they got it at a very early age.
Mm-hmm,
So like
mm-hmm.
my dad had it in his 40s, and then my chachu also, and my buas also. Like everybody has it. So they've
Okay.
had it at a pretty like 40s. So but I used to say, I told my doctor, मैंने कहा but 40s में हुआ मुझे तो अभी हो गया. But then nowadays our lifestyle and the things are changing so much that those things they are actually happening very early in the
Yeah,
your age. So
correct.
that is how I got it. So I have a small dosage, but yes, on every day I have to take medicine for blood pressure.
With
So for
medicine, but
me,
it's regulated.
yeah, it's regulated with the medicine.
Now, first of
Mm.
all, I want to understand whether you are a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian, whether you take eggs, if you're comfortable sharing.
Yeah, I am a vegetarian, but I do
Mhm.
take eggs.
Okay.
So
How do
yeah.
you take care of your nutritional aspect, protein aspect? Do you take any
Uh,
protein powders or supplements?
yes. See, as far as egg is concerned, I have 2 eggs every day. Every
Mm-hmm.
day. Every day means every day. 2 eggs
Mm-hmm.
चाहिए. हाँ, अगर मैं कोई ऐसी जगह हूँ, if I'm traveling जहाँ नहीं मिल पा रहा है, वो अलग बात है. But my main try is that 2 eggs every day I have to eat. And apart from Tuesdays, I'm a big Hanuman bhakt. Tuesdays I avoid. Otherwise, every day. And I do have protein. I do take
Mm-hmm.
whey protein.
Mm-hmm.
It suits my gut. Mostly
Mm-hmm.
people do face some problem that way gut को suit नहीं करता है तो you can go in for plant protein.
Mm-hmm.
So that is
Okay.
that's a better option for people who
Mm-hmm.
feel that a protein does not suit our gut. So
Mm-hmm.
I take whey protein and I take 2 eggs every day. And apart from that, dal, sabzi, whatever as may I make at home or the cook makes at home, I have that. And I always include, a single meal should have what I am doing, and what ideally should be done is that your meal should have a portion of dairy, a portion of fiber, that is your salad. Dairy may you can take curd or chas, then clean carbs. Clean carbs can be in the form of rice or roti, all right, or quinoa, okay,
Mm-hmm.
or oats if you're
Mm-hmm.
having breakfast में oats खा रहे हैं ना. And then your protein part, which could be paneer or chicken if you're a non-vegetarian, or your dal,
Mm-hmm.
okay, soya bean, soya nuggets and all that. So That is how I plan. So every day when I'm eating, I always have to see that how much is the protein and the fiber. Very very important. So ये दोनों चीजें रहना चाहिए. कार्ब तो हम ले ही लेते हैं. कार्ब in
हाँ,
one form of
इंडियन
the
डाइट
other
में
खा ही
कार्ब्स की
जाते हैं.
कमी
उसका
है।
तो कोई टेंशन नहीं है. So
राइट।
that dairy and your fiber and your protein, that is what you have to take care of. That can be tofu or paneer or anything. Nutrella जो nuggets होते हैं वो हो सकते हैं. So if you are a vegetarian, if you are a non-vegetarian, then you have other options as well. So and
राइट।
eggs. So that is how I plan it. My breakfasts are usually not very heavy, but yeah, after my workouts, I take protein powder immediately. And I do indulge in BCA also, branched amino acids. They are very good for wear and tear, repairing the wear and tear of the muscles because I'm into strenuous workouts. That's not required by everyone, but from a personal point of view, because I am into strenuous workouts, so I do take that.
Okay. Along with
And
protein, you take BCCA.
along with protein. Yes, yes, BCA also. So that is there, but not every day. BCA is not every day. Strenuous workouts जब होते हैं तब. And otherwise, good diet, healthy food. Usually, I eat homemade food. Very rarely, I'm eating out. When I'm eating out, then also I'm a little bit mindful about what I'm ordering. So fried food बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं खाती, although I love it very much. खाती हूँ, but बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं खाती. So
वो देख के
वैसा है.
लगता है।
हाँ, हाँ. So बाकी ये है कि because we are runners, so carbohydrate, अच्छा carbohydrate, good quality, complex carbs is very important for us. So do not leave them. I also do not leave them. तो वो तो करना ही है, वो तो खाना ही है. You as a runner cannot leave carb altogether. You have to have
राइट।
complex carb, have good clean carbohydrates, have dal rice. है ना? चपाती खा लिया, दाल राइस खा लिया एंड यू कैन रिप्लेस योर चपाती विद ज्वार रोटी और बाजरा रोटी. यू कैन डू दैट, डू ऑल दैट वेरिएशन. उसमें क्या होता है ना, व्हेन यू कीप वेरिएटिंग एंड एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विद थिंग्स, सो यू गेट ऑल द न्यूट्रिएंट एस्पेक्ट इज फुलफिल्ड. सो यू डू नॉट गेट डेफिशिएंट इन एनीथिंग. सो
राइट।
वैसा है. सो दैट्स हाउ आई गो अबाउट इट.
All right. No, no, nice. And Priyanka, just tell me one thing more because you told that apne yoga, you also teach yoga. So when did you start doing this yoga training program, and how did you think of teaching yoga further?
ओके, सो आई डिड दिस कोर्स कोविड के बीच में ही स्टार्ट किया था. And then I gave the exams and all for this YTT 200 and I cleared. And after I got the certification, then I thought, okay, I'll start online. So I had posted ads and all. I got a few students. So I started, that's how I started teaching online for weight loss. My main thing was, see, people these days, they are too much into weight loss and getting fitter and healthier. So I started yoga for weight loss. And in that, my main, that main aspect was weight loss only. So I was not doing a lot of, not making them do a lot of meditation or sadhana, but more of weight loss and yoga flows that will help you to gain flexibility, strengthening the body, and losing weight. So that's how I was designing my session.
Okay. So when you coach, you mainly coach uh, your trainees for yoga plus weight loss, right? That's the main aspect that you're looking at. Okay.
Yes.
And how often do you do yoga, Priyanka?
I do it. See, all the yoga stretches and the basic asanas I'm doing almost every day after my run also. और वो जो भी है basic तो almost every day हो जाता है. Probably शायद एक आधा दिन कोई रह जाता हो बीच में. And when I started teaching, I was doing only yoga. Teaching only just yoga, but yoga में variation काफी कुछ मैं डाल देती थी. But now when I'm still taking the classes. So now my classes are not yoga classes. They are like, okay, yoga, one day we'll do yoga completely. And other days we are going to try different other things. A lot of things to be tried. So just to not to make it monotonous and boring, I keep introducing a lot of new things with new props. So that makes it pretty interesting, and that keeps your the clients keep coming back to you.
So
So
basically, you take fitness classes now. We can't say
yeah,
exactly
yeah, you
doing.
cannot say that now it's just yoga class. It's a fitness class.
Okay. All right. Then also, Priyanka, while we had our one-to-one conversation, you told me you are a solo runner. So do you
हाँ.
always run alone? And is that a conscious decision to run alone? Or is it your personality that you like to be yourself? How do you stay
Uh,
motivated for your long runs to do alone?
हाँ, सो क्या है कि आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन अ सोलो रनर, दैट्स ट्रू। ठीक है, सो होता क्या है कि व्हेन यू स्टार्ट दिस स्पोर्ट ना, योर एजेंडा इज टोटली डिफरेंट। नाउ दैट वी आर सो डीप इनटू इट, अभी तो एजेंडा अलग हो चुका है। बट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड विद द स्पोर्ट, द एजेंडा वाज जस्ट ब्रेकिंग लूज एंड गोइंग आउट ऑफ द हाउस एंड जस्ट हैविंग दैट मी टाइम एंड वो सब था। दैट वाज द आइडिया when corona period was going on. And so then slowly when things were falling into place and things are going well, so then yeah, I had to take my practice up a notch. And then came the time ki, and when I started taking coaching also, so फिर होता है कि yes, you have to be slightly systematic and आपको अपने days plan करने हैं उस हिसाब से। strength training इस दिन है and your run is on a particular day and your long run is over the weekends. So, and especially when you're going on a long run, short runs do not matter much. But when you're going on a long run, then you need to wake up very early and you have to start by, let's say, 4:30 if it's summertime, because otherwise it gets very, very hot. So 4:30 उठना है, फिर जाना है एंड पूरा अंधेरा होता है जब आप जा रहे हो। So yeah, there is a lot of challenge out there. So I एक तो उठना ही in itself is a big challenge. उसके बाद तो once you step out of the house तो फिर तो हो ही जाता है। So that is there, but वही है, again I'll like to say that discipline is what drives you, and discipline is what drives me, and I think it drives everybody. If you are a disciplined, you have a disciplined mindset. See, motivation एक दो बार तीन बार काम करेगी, उसके बाद नहीं करेगी। आपने कोई मोटिवेशनल वीडियो देख लिया या प्रोबेबली आपने ये पॉडकास्ट ही देख लिया या आपने कुछ यूट्यूब पे ऐसा देख लिया, तो यू विल फील मोटिवेटेड फॉर अ डे और 2 और मैक्सिमम 1 वीक। बट if you really want to achieve your goals, so you have to be disciplined. आप सिर्फ मोटिवेशन पे नहीं छोड़ सकते। Consistently day in and day out, you have to put in the effort. And when I say that put in the effort, or that does not mean that you have to give in your 100% every day. No, वो हो ही नहीं
Some days
सकता है।
are
We're not
bad.
superhumans. We are not superhumans कि हम 100% every day दें। नहीं, हम नहीं कर सकते हैं वो। So yes, the only important thing is that you show up. You go there, you go to your gym, you go to your aerobics class, you go to for your run, you run on the road, and matlab any physical activity that you're doing, and not only physical activity, I think this aspect it applies everywhere, in everything that you're doing. That see, एक दिन आके आपको अपना ऑफिस भी बोरिंग लगेगा, आपका वहां भी जाने का मन नहीं करेगा, बट आप जाते हो ना। व्हाई? बिकॉज यू आर डिसिप्लिन पर्सन, दैट इज समथिंग। हाँ, एंड या वो तो है ही है, बट दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू हैव टू डू। यू कैन नॉट, है ना? तो सेम थिंग।
I think that's exactly what I say, Priyanka. मैं ना हमेशा ये बोलती हूँ. I always feel delivering a baby is probably the most difficult thing physically that I've ever done. उसमें तो give up नहीं होता है ना. 9 महीने कुछ भी हो जाए, you have to keep the baby inside. कितना भी problem हो रहा है, then
हाँ,
why give up on your workout? There are days when it is hard. Just sail through them. रो के
जस्ट सेम टू।
करो.
एंड आप 50% एफर्ट दीजिए, आप 20 दीजिए, आप 30% एफर्ट दीजिए। किसने कहा है आपको कि आप डेली 100? मैं वही बोल रही हूँ ना, दैट वी आर नॉट
हाँ,
सुपर ह्यूमंस। डेली वी कैन नॉट वर्क विद द सेम एफर्ट, डेली वी कैन नॉट गिव आवर 100%, 20%, बट जस्ट गोइंग देयर, गोइंग टू योर जिम और योर फिटनेस वर्कआउट सेशन एंड शोइंग अप इज व्हाट मैटर्स। उतने में
absolutely.
अगर आप 15 मिनट भी कर लोगे ना, तो बस डन है।
No, no, right, right. So from there, Priyanka, about the female hygiene products. So I
हम्म।
want to ask, what do you use during the menstrual cycle? Pads or tampons or menstrual cups?
I use tampons and cups alternatively. It depends.
Mhm.
थोड़ा सा रहता है, but yes, usually a pads I've really stopped using. I think since last 6-7 years I've stopped using pads. So
Okay.
either it's a tampon or it's a menstrual cup for me.
All
Yeah,
right.
and for runners especially, if you use pads and all during your cycles, then बहुत rashes and उस सब का भी issues रहेंगे. So that is the thing that I have never faced that, because I'm into this, but I feel that of course that is going to create a problem if you're a long distance athlete or an endurance athlete as a female and you're using pads. So वो रहता है, and menstrual cup is a very very good option. In fact, everybody should take that now. At least it's the time to make the switch to a
Yeah,
menstrual cup. So one should definitely do that. Yeah.
absolutely. So, Priyanka, from there, let's move on to what's the next target, if you're comfortable sharing. You have any
Uh,
target in mind now?
okay, next target.
Uh-huh.
So I do not have. I see, doing a sub 4 marathon will always be on my list till the time I'm able to
NDM, right?
achieve that.
Have you
Uh,
registered for NDM this year?
no, 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 no. I'll be doing Chandigarh Fast Marathon this year.
अच्छा,
So
चंडीगढ़ में कब होता है?
it's on 16th of Feb. It started last year. It's a Boston qualifier,
अच्छा,
and it's a very, very good Under Armour event. So
मुझे वैसे भी लगता है प्रियंका, चंडीगढ़ में कोई भी रन होती है ना, अच्छी होती है. Like I just like the atmosphere of Chandigarh too much.
So, वो है. So I'll be doing that instead. NDM not this year. Let's say next year I'll do NDM. So, Chandigarh Fast Marathon. So my goal will always be, I don't know if I'm going to achieve a sub 4 or not. I cannot say it for myself as of now, because I know how fast, the things change, and ये problem हो गया, वो हो गया, and then it all goes haywire. So my goal will always be a sub 4 till the time I'm able to achieve it. And yes, along the way, I'm learning and I'm doing my ultras, and gathering all the good experiences, good, bad, memorable experiences, whatever is coming my way.
And
And
Priyanka,
yes,
if
training
if it,
every day
hmm,
and living a disciplined life.
hmm.
That is
And
the
Priyanka, if our running graph goes only up, यार, मुझे लगता है वो इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं रहता. Ultimately, it becomes interesting because of the dips only. We don't realize
yes.
it when we are during the dip period, but
हाँ.
interesting तो उसी के कारण ही बनता है ना. It's
के
running
कारण
is
रहता
like
है.
life.
That is what actually motivates you and tells you, okay, do not think too much of yourself. This is where you are. Now, start from scratch and start building up.
Yeah,
So,
right.
so that's
Absolutely.
how. So that will always be there. And the long-term goal is only one thing. My long-term goal is just to be able to sustain what I'm doing right now. Because, doing certain thing for some limited amount of time is very easy. Everybody can do it. But then sustaining it for a longer, healthier life for years to come, let's say for 10, 15 years from now, if I'm able to sustain this, that is something I'll call an achievement, rather than, just running after one thing, achieving it and feeling very accomplished. No, the actual feeling of accomplishment will come when I will be able to sustain all this that I'm doing right now, and I am able to guide people and enlighten them about health, about fitness, about running, about how they can take care of themselves. So that is the long term thing, and if I'm able to achieve that and I'm able to sustain what I'm doing right now, that will be the biggest achievement of my life. I'll consider myself lucky.
Oh, absolutely. I think beautifully said. So, from that, Priyanka, I think we'll wind up. Before we wind up, the last question, any message to people out there who are hearing you?
Yes, my message is only that you've got to believe in yourself. See, there are going to be ups and downs. Agar sirf life is going to be a bed of roses, then it's, as you said earlier, you're going to lose interest. Okay, so there has to be ups and downs, and especially for female runners, I would like to tell you guys that have that goal in mind. If you are running, if you have that, you have certain goal in mind, work towards it. Give it that extra time. Call it your me time, and work towards it in a systematic manner. And if you are working on yourself, whether it is running, whether it is a fitness activity, you are able to take care of your families in a much better way. Because if you are happy from inside, when you're working out, when you're running, when you are doing yoga, whatever you are doing, any physical activity that you are engaging yourself into, आपके अंदर बहुत पॉजिटिविटी आती है. दैट हैप्पीनेस कम्स फ्रॉम इनसाइड. दोस हैप्पी हार्मोन्स आर रिलीज. इट्स ऑल अ साइंटिफिक थिंग एक्चुअली. इसमें कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है कि हम कोई ज्ञान बांट रहे हैं. इट्स वेरी साइंटिफिक थिंग. इट्स हैपनिंग इनसाइड आवर बॉडीज. सो वो आएगी हैप्पीनेस, that will show on your face. You'll look good, you'll feel good, and that is how you can look after your family better, and you can do a good upbringing of your kids. So if it's there's nothing called as being selfish, a selfish mother or a selfish wife. No, nothing. Please do not get into all that. Do not feel कि अगर मैं अपने लिए ज़्यादा सोच रही हूँ तो I am a selfish mother or I am a selfish wife. No. If you're not thinking about yourself, you have to know that you will lack in fulfilling your responsibilities towards the family. So just give yourself that priority for those 1 hour or 2 hours in the morning or evening, whatever suits you. And then you go ahead with your day and do the things that need to be done. So that is my message to all the female runners. Female runners specifically, because we as females have a lot of responsibilities. So that's why I'm talking about it. So otherwise, to everybody else, at the end of the day, thank God, have a lot of gratitude in your heart. Thank God that you've got this body, you're able to maintain, you're able to work out, you're able to go out and go for a run. And there are many people in this world who are not able to do that. So consider yourself lucky. Do not be too harsh on yourself. So, and keep working towards your goals.
Absolutely. I think very, very beautiful message. I think happy people can make happy families. Right. On that
Absolutely.
note, thank you so much, Priyanka. It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you so much, Meenal. And I feel really privileged to be here and sharing my views with everybody. And thanks a lot.